Good morning, Mr. Master Maestro, or simply, 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 David, yes, David, not David, Lynch. It's February 4th, 2024, and it's Sunday in Naples. No, after practically, I don't know if you follow with me, I think nobody, after practically all a week with those beautiful postcards and golden sunshine, excerpt from Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. So 6 days and 7 today once again totally white cloudy, and yes, it's early afternoon practically at noon 40. Particolarmente seems also receding now, perhaps with a slight wind, and 57 Fahrenheit, 14 Celsius, and this means that this is really cold now, like in Indonesia, in Syria, and if, and I'm repeating this spec for the thousandth time, the adjective cold, it's an adjective, classic adjective, let's say, that I use for this period since the first weather reports of 2 years ago, but for the period of this year, and so for this year, this period, it's not so valid at all, because in fact, with the degrees that we have, it doesn't really feel cold, and so as I remember, we never had any past years a winter in the autumn like this, but also the summer, because also the summer of the past year was really hot in comparison with the past summers, and so from this point of view, at least for me, always nothing to significant one. Absolutely, I can complain, but today not, certainly not for the atmosphere, and in fact now I believe it is a matter of things on this. Being a ready afternoon, I think that the participant is repeat as it just before 57 to 14 Celsius. Not the really important thing with atmosphere that anticipate just before today we this. Yes, usually si vede the fact that this is the curtain not recognition. In fact, soon as they repeat totally what you're regarding, I think and if we are practically read it half of the day, even if and I think even if ready, it's already noon 40, next hours, few hours could become more obscure and also it could rain, in fact in a few moments the rain, but as always and sicuramente magicians with that this points will seem, even if it's clear it's like I'm screen, so very clear. And maximum bit well. So si riso from medical window with the mega cortina senza andare avanti su YouTube, pratica si parla venia, and also this beautiful painted branches at visible in sentire in shot. As regarding the shooter, the same this period behind the curtain, in fact, and he shot. And finally, from my medieval keyboard, the GX 640 APG 625. Greeting all the people, follow John the person, yesterday getting the door, also my brother and my sister, glasses of biscuits, and finally, I hope you will have a great breakfast. Today it's early, it's late, but not late like other days, however, yes, but important thing is that, but surely it's not late when I make the breakfast, when I make the breakfast of 15 and 10 on that record on Saturday, December 9, 2023, it's two days really better, I repeat, just really noon and 40, but important thing is that in some way also today Fortuna di lui te so, non mi rilammi. Andato in mezzo sì. Breakfast in sole sono the most beautiful things of the world. Absolutely. Adesso, tomorrow.